Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a quick video, like quick. I am doing a soft Christmas look, like nothing too bold, nothing too bright. Yeah, enjoy this quick video. Alrighty, so I already put concealer on my eyes. I use the Tarte Shape Tape and Light Sand. Tarte Shape Tape will lock it in and give it, and make it so it'll, like, your makeup will stay longer, especially when it comes to your eyeshadow. I am using my Morphe 25B palette. This beautiful thing right here is the Bronze Mocha palette. And to start off with, I'm going to take this light shade here and I'm going to put this all over my lid. Alright, I set my lid. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in so you guys can see a little bit more of the little stuff. Alright, we're still working with that Morphe palette, the 25B, and I'm going to go ahead and start warming up my eyelid, and I'm going to use this shade right here. It's on the top, and it's on the left hand side, looking at it away, and the second one be on the right hand side if you were looking at it. And I'm going to use the same brush that I used to set my eye. And we're just warming up our eyelid. Alright, now I am taking a nice fluffy brush, a blending brush to be exact. I'm going to go ahead and with this color right here, and we're going to darken the crease. Make sure you do this with an extremely light hand. You're just darkening that crease to give it some dimension and make all the other colors that you're going to add on pop. Alright, now that we warmed up our crease, so that way we have some nice warm tones going on, I am going to take this smack dab in the middle, like, nice little pop of glitter. It's almost like a rose gold. I'm going to take this color and I'm going to go ahead and pop it on my eyelid. And then for our lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and go in with that color, the second one on the top row, this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and put that on my lower lash line, all across. And then I'm going to move on and I'm going to go to that darker tone, this one right here. And I'm just going to work it on this half. We're just making it so it blends in. I am going to go ahead and put on my Ulta Legendary Lengthening Mascara. And now that we have mascara on, it's time to put some lashes on. And now to finish off this look, I'm using the Morphe Virgin. I believe it's a liquid lipstick. And that is it for this Christmassy soft glam look. I hope you enjoyed this. I wanted to try something new, quick, simple, easy, and that didn't take a whole lot of time to film, and just a quick look. Yeah, see if this is something that everybody else is interested in, and it's just something new. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed. Until next time.